Welcome. Today I am so excited to share with you, to be back with you for this new year. I hope you all had a very happy new year and that everything is going great for you so far. Well, I haven't been around this week, as you all have seen, and I wanted to kind of talk about that and just the direction of my channel this year is what this video is going to be dedicated to. So I really didn't talk about this at the end of last year. I had been meaning to do so, but really I didn't take the time to sit down and figure out what direction I wanted my channel to go. I didn't even write anything down. The end of last year was just a big blur for me, and I felt great about the fact that I kept to my goal of, posting a video every single day as part of Vlogmas. For this year to come, if I do participate in Vlogmas, it definitely will not be as long as I had filmed this last year. I'm thinking no more than 12 days or something like that. But anyway, not to get into Vlogmas. Vlogmas is over. But this past year has been really great in the sense that I was able to kind of just branch out and see what kind of things that I enjoyed filming, all of the different things that you guys like to see, and I took note of all of that. And for this new year to come, I had three main things that I wanted to focus on. Number one being that I wanted to make sure that I had a variety. So that means all different types of videos. I still love to create a lot of different types of things, different types of content, but I wanted a schedule. How am I going to have variety but still have a schedule? So I came up with 3 different days that I'm going to be posting, and then the last thing that I wanted to do was I wanted to make sure to slow down this year. This past year of 2017, I just tried to pop out as many videos as I could. I just always felt rushed and stressed and just wanting to do more and more and more. And I felt like I could never keep up. And that is the nature of this whole entire YouTube, is that you're never caught up. There's always going to be somebody else posting something that you were thinking of posting, and it's just the nature of the game. And while it's a great community where everyone can encourage one another, it's still something that as a creator you feel the pressure in trying to meet certain deadlines because of whatever type of thing is going on around that time period. And so there is some pressure there. But for this year, I am going to definitely slow it down. The way I'm going to slow it down is I'm going to make sure that my posting days are set and that I stick with those. And I'm not trying to push myself to create more than what I know is a comfortable place for me and for my family, and something that still brings balance to my life, and hopefully something that all of you can look forward to each week, even though it's not going to be daily. So therefore, I'm going to be creating 3 videos a week, and those days are going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays that I will be posting. Another goal of mine is to make sure that my videos come out at a set time each of those days. So I like to post 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and whatever that is for you in the world, I don't know, but that is what I plan to post and when. Alright, so let's talk about the schedule and what I'm going to be posting these days. Monday is going to be Motivational Monday. This is going to be a day that I'm going to share with you decluttering videos, cleaning videos, organizing videos, all of those types of things. And it's not going to be limited to that, but whatever it is that I'm going to share with you is going to be somehow motivational. At least I would hope so. and that is going to be cycled throughout the month. However, this month of January, I really want to focus on decluttering videos, because that is kind of what seems to be at everyone's peak interest right now, and especially mine. I know I just want to get into my house, and there are certain areas that I want to tackle, and I think that it might be very motivational to see someone else doing it. Of course, there are tons and tons of videos out there, but it's just something that I would like to share. And then on Monday, January 29th, I plan to host another Sunrise Clean with me. So this is for all of you out there that have a YouTube channel. Even if you don't have a YouTube channel, you want to get up, you want to participate, that would be great. But for all of those who have a YouTube channel, I want to invite all of you to please participate in the Sunrise Clean with Me challenge. This is something that I know helped a lot of people who did participate last time, and it's just great to get yourself up, get yourself ready for the day, and then, you know, clean your whole house, get all of your work done before the day begins. And so that is really what the focus of the Sunrise Clean with Me challenge is, and you get to enjoy just the beauty of the sun rising and all of that a lot of times we miss out on, especially those of us that stay home. If you sleep in a little bit later or as late as you can before the kids get up, this is something that you would often miss out on. So I just thought that it would be great to share that with one another and get really great footage. And, you know, as I said before in my previous Sunrise Clean with Me challenge, I love to see sun rays and, you know, just being creative in this video, really. How can you make a cleaning video beautiful and inspiring? That's what I would like to see. Okay, so moving on from Motivational Monday, I would like to jump into Weekly Wednesdays. This is going to be where I'm going to transition from sharing weekly vlogs on a Monday to sharing them on a Wednesday. This is really for my benefit, if none other, because I found that, you know, creating a whole week, whereas I didn't want to have it a few weeks in advance that I was recording and then sharing. I like it to be pretty current, but I still needed a few extra days to put it together. So that is why Wednesday is going to be my day where I would like to share my weekly vlogs with you. I'm going to try to alternate my weekly vlogs, so every other week doing a weekly vlog, and then those off weeks I wanted to share either a day in the life or where I would do a week of meals, whether that is a week of breakfast or the week of lunches that I had, or the week of dinners, something along those lines, or even a plan with me for a week. That kind of thing will be on my weekly Wednesdays. And finally, I look forward to Fridays that are going to be all about creativity. This is going to be Flourish Friday because it's going to be all about decorating, fashion, you know, hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, anything that has to do with dance or the arts, and, you know, painting, writing, photography, all of these types of things that I love to do and I like to be part of my life. I would love to share with you and maybe give you some tips in different areas. And then, of course, I'm not going to forget about my monthly favorites. This is going to be the last Friday of each month. I would like to share my monthly favorites with you. All right, so now I have a schedule. I have variety to keep myself and hopefully you all interested, with enough wiggle room to be able to stay active in the comments and, you know, have that time to recreate. So I want to thank you all so much for watching. And again, if anybody is interested in being part of that Sunrise Clean with Me challenge, don't forget to post your videos come January 29th. That is a Monday, and again, I'm going to be posting at 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So until next time, I hope that you all take care and we will talk soon. Bye.